Ginger lemon tea soothes morning sickness. Many women experience some form of nausea or stomach upset during pregnancy. The nausea often occurs in the morning or on an empty stomach, which is why it is called morning sickness. This discomfort usually occurs more often during the first trimester of pregnancy, but can occur throughout the duration of the pregnancy, and even at night. While many over-the-counter pharmaceutical drugs are effective in treating nausea, it is best to avoid these medications during pregnancy, especially during the first trimester. There are certain special remedies that can ease nausea, and ginger tea with a taste of lemon in it is one that many women find to be effective. Ginger is an herb that has been used for centuries to soothe an upset stomach. It can be eaten or consumed in any of its forms during pregnancy, but many women prefer to take it in a cup of warm and soothing tea. Drinking a small cup of ginger tea whenever you are nauseated can help you to feel better and will not harm your baby. Ginger root helps relieve nausea and vomiting related to morning sickness and can have a calming effect on the body. This herb is also considered to be an anti-inflammatory, has healing properties, and can be helpful in keeping the mother's immune system strengthened. Of all the herbal teas available, ginger tea is actually one of the most effective in women's health issues. Only a small amount of ginger is needed to soothe nausea, and it is more natural and safer than many prescription medications. Ginger lemon tea is a great source of vitamin B6. It also contains copper, potassium and magnesium. It helps with digestive issues and can improve blood flow, which increases healthy circulation throughout the body. Resting and sipping slowly on this wonderful tea can be soothing as well as relaxing, and can relieve natural anxieties and irritability. Ginger lemon tea is simple to make. You can find ginger and lemon tea bags in some grocery stores, in health food stores, or you can also order it online. To make your own nutritious and healthful drink, grate and boil a 1-inch piece of ginger root in hot water. Strain. You can squeeze some fresh lemon slices into the hot tea, or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice can be added instead. The tea can be sweetened with a little honey, agave nectar or natural stevia sweetener.